How to hide your following list on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to hide your following list on Instagram. So let's get started. We have a followers list and a following list on Instagram. So in order to hide it, you just have to go to your profile. On your profile, again, you can see I have a following list and a followers list. How to hide it? Simply click on these three lines at the top right corner. Click on settings, go to privacy, and make your account private. If you have your account private, then people won't be able to see your following list. Only your followers can see your following list. If you want to hide your following list from a follower, then what you can do is you can actually open up their profile, someone you want to hide it from, and then click on these three dots at the top right corner. Click on restrict. And once your account is restrict, they won't be able to see your following list. This is the only way we can hide our following list right now on Instagram. There is no such option available, but you can do this by just making your account private. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.